Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are gonna make a plum cake without an egg at our home. So first we need 200 grams of all-purpose flour, 100 grams of fresh curd, 150 grams sugar, 180 ml milk, 1 teaspoon baking soda, half teaspoon baking powder, and half teaspoon vanilla essence, and finally 80 ml oil. You can use any essence, but here I am using vanilla essence. So now first add 150 grams sugar, and now add 180 ml milk. Add 80 ml oil. And now add half teaspoon vanilla essence. And now start mixing all the ingredients. And now take a sieve and sieve all the leftover ingredients. Now preheat your oven at 180 degrees for 10 minutes. After sieving all the leftover ingredients, now add 100 gram fresh curd. And now mix all the ingredients again. And now take a cake tin and grease it with oil and pour the batter into the cake tin. And now I'm adding some badam and cashew nuts in the cake. If you want, you can also add it. Now transfer the cake tin into a tray. And now transfer the tray into the bottom coil of your oven. And now set it to 180 degrees Celsius and bake mode for 30 to 35 minutes. And now it's been 35 minutes baking this cake. So let me do a toothpick test. As you can see, the cake is baked well. Now remove the tray from the oven. If your cake is not baked properly, again bake it for 15 minutes. Now demold the cake. Now remove the parchment paper. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one.